What's up, everybody? Tier 1 Bird. Break 4025. We are full. Fresh set of dice. We go 8 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 here and 8 here. The Detroit Tigers up top. The Rays at the bottom. Hey, it was like that before. Rays were at the bottom at least. 8 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Jesse up top. Tremaine at the bottom. Sort them out. They all sorted but the Tigers. I'll print this and we'll rip it, guys. Good luck. 8 there as well. I'm going to send out a notification and then we rip. Take your spots in 4026. That'll be the next bird to go. $40.26 will be the next one to go. Minimal spots left. Good luck, guys. Good luck. These back up here. The next one to go is 4026. It's on the site. There's about 20 left. Only got 3 in this one. Jorge Posada. 161 out of 199 Yankees. Too loose. The New York Yankees and Tremaine winners. For the Seattle Mariners, Felix Hernandez. 62 out of 99. Got a nice signature. Last card of the break for the Baltimore Orioles. It was Neil Diaz. 15 out of 299. Baltimore and Josh Cox. Josh ain't missing today. That's the break, guys. Jorge Posada to 199, Diaz to 299, and Hernandez to 99. That's the break.